People are making $10,000 a month using free AI tools like ChatGPT, and no one's talking about it enough. Miss this trend now, and you could miss out on the biggest wealth opportunity of the decade. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll give you a step by step blueprint to build your own AI powered income streams from scratch.
Quick heads up, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just educational content, so do your own research. It's mid 2025, and there's an AI gold rush happening right under our noses. With inflation up and job security down, millions are turning to AI powered side hustles to boost their income. Why? Because anyone, yes, even you watching, can start an AI side gig with little to no experience or money. Think about it. A college student, a stay at home parent, or a 9 to 5 worker can leverage AI to earn extra cash or even replace their day job. AI side hustles are blowing up because they check all the boxes. The tools are cheap or free, the demand is massive, they're insanely time efficient, and you can scale them like crazy. What took hours now takes minutes. What required a whole team now just takes you and AI. Generative AI apps like ChatGPT and Midjourney are now mainstream. Meanwhile, new tools like Claude for writing and ElevenLabs for voice are expanding what's possible every day. Think of these AIs as your digital employees who cost almost nothing and never sleep. One recent survey found that nearly 40% of entrepreneurs launched their side hustle in under a week using AI, and 20% of them started making money in that first week. Let that sink in. From idea to income in 7 days. AI isn't just future tech, it's a launchpad for making real money today. Now, before you run off and try every shiny new AI tool, let's get real about something. The rules of building wealth haven't changed. Technology changes, trends come and go, but there are timeless principles behind making money that still apply. Think of it like this: AI is a powerful new car, but you still need to know how to drive. So let's take these AI opportunities and mix in some evergreen money wisdom that the wealthy swear by. You might have heard terms like income stacking, leverage your skills, understanding time versus money, and automation. These are the kind of evergreen strategies I'm talking about. Now, AI can supercharge each one. Let's break it down. First, income stacking. Fancy term, simple idea. It means building multiple income streams instead of depending on just one. Ever hear that millionaires have an average of 7 streams of income? It's true. Maybe you have a day job and a side hustle, or 3 small side hustles. With AI, stacking incomes is easier. You can run an Etsy store with AI generated art, freelance blog writing with ChatGPT, and even automated dropshipping business all at once. Each stream by itself might be modest, but together they snowball into serious cash. And here's the key: AI does the heavy lifting for you, so running 3 projects isn't 3 times the work. It's maybe 1.5 times the work because your AI assistants handle a lot. The result? You diversify your money and protect yourself. If one income dips, the others keep you afloat. Next, skill leverage. This is about using tools or systems to multiply what one person can do. In the old days, you'd hire employees or outsource to scale up. Now, you can leverage AI. Are you a decent writer? With an AI like ChatGPT or Claude as your co writer, you could take on 5 times more clients and still deliver quality. Not a designer? Midjourney can turn your idea into stunning art or logos in minutes, letting you sell designs without an art degree. Camera shy or hate recording your voice? Tools like ElevenLabs can generate a lifelike voiceover narrating your script for you. It's like having a team of experts on call, but you pay them nothing and they never sleep. AI gives you an almost unfair advantage by amplifying your skills to a level that used to require an entire team. By the way, if you're finding these ideas helpful, could you do me a quick favor? Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It takes you a second, but it makes a huge difference for me. Plus, it tells me to make more content on AI and money just like this. And drop a comment if you have any questions or if you're already using any of these tools. I love hearing what you're up to. Let's talk about time and money. The ultra wealthy always ask, how can I decouple my time from my income? If you're paid hourly, there's a hard limit on your earnings. You only have 24 hours in a day. But what if 1 hour of work could pay you again and again? That's the time value trade off in action.
With AI, you can create things that keep making money after you're done working on them. Write an ebook or online course with the help of ChatGPT. Sell it for months or years. Design a digital product or template once, and let it generate sales on autopilot. As one creator says, create once, sell forever. AI makes things so much easier. Content creation that took weeks can be done in days, so you invest less time to get that long term payoff. Instead of grinding 8 hours for a one time paycheck, you can spend that time building an asset that pays you over and over. Finally, automation, one of my favorite words. The idea is simple: get things to run on their own so you make money 24/7. Before AI, you might automate with old school software or outsourcing. But now AI can automate creative and even thinking tasks too. Imagine a chatbot handling customer support for your business while you sleep, or an AI that writes and posts your social media content without you lifting a finger. You could literally wake up to see that your robot employees made sales for you overnight. Here's a real example. One creator spent a single day cloning his voice for an AI library, and it earned him about $160 in the first month completely passively. That's automation at work. You set something up once and it keeps paying you. The more you automate, the more you free up your time, either to relax or to scale up bigger projects. It's how you go from being a one person hustler to running a self driving money machine. So, how do you start? Simple. Pick one idea and run with it. Don't try to do 10 things at once. Maybe you love writing. Start a freelance gig with AI as your assistant. Or you're into art. Try selling some AI generated designs on the side. If you have knowledge to share, launch a mini online course and use AI to help create the content. Thanks to these tools, you don't need to quit your job or spend a fortune to get started. Start small, use free resources, and learn as you go. The biggest mistake is just sitting on the sidelines. Every great side hustle starts with that first step, so take it. The bottom line: we're living in a time where a single person with a laptop and AI can do what used to take a whole team. The opportunity is huge, but it's on you to take advantage of it. In a year, you could be thanking yourself for jumping in, or regretted that you waited. You're not too late. In fact, you're early, and AI side hustles are exploding right now. So don't wait for someday. If you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe and join us. I share new ways to build wealth with AI and smart money principles every week, so you won't want to miss out. And let me know in the comments which AI side hustle idea you're excited to try. I might even do a deep dive on the most popular one. Alright, thanks for watching. Now get out there and start building your own AI powered income stream. You've got this.